This tutorial will show you how to install XBMC and other Google Play apps onto your Amazon Fire TV stick. I'm following the tutorial found at sideloadfiretv.com, and let's get started. So I just finished the initial setup, and now we're going to go to Settings, and from Settings you're going to go to System and go down to Developer Options and turn on ADB debugging. Now we're going to go back, go to About, and go down to Network. And we're going to need to remember the IP address. That's that 192.168.1.21 number. So now we're going to move over to our computer. And here I am at sideloadfiretv.com, and it has all the installation file and the step-by-step tutorial to install XBMC. So the two files that we need are the XBMC APK file and the ADB setup for the computer. So the first step is to install ADB. So double click the installation file, hit yes to make changes, and I'm gonna type Y and hit enter to install ADB and fastboot. Hit Y and hit enter again, and hit Y and hit enter again one more time. And now it will prompt you with the installation wizard to install the drivers. I've already installed the drivers, so I'm not going to complete this step, but you'll just hit next and install it. Okay, the next step is to open up command prompt. I'm using Windows 8, so I'm going to search for it. And depending on your operating system version, you'll need to open up a command prompt however you can. So hit enter, and I'll have command prompt open. So I'm going to go back to the website so I can find the lines of code that we'll need. So go to the section called Sideload App to Fire TV. And this is the line of code we need. ADB connect, and then insert the IP address that we obtained from the device. So in command prompt, type in ADB connect, and then type in that number that we got from the network page. So that's 192.168.1.21. And the number will vary depending on the device and your router. So that's that number right there. Okay, now I'm going to hit enter. And it's going to connect me to the Fire TV. And you're going to get the started successfully and connect it to the IP address message. So next, we're going to type in this line of code. ADB install file path and then the file name. So let's type that in, ADB install, and now we're going to type in the file path for the xbmc.apk file. So the easiest way to do that is to locate the file and then right click it and go to properties. And here's the location of the file. So this is the file path that we're going to type in. Right. So I'm just going to type that in. Okay, so that's the file path, and now we're going to type in the file name, xbmc.apk. Now I'm going to hit enter, and now it's installing the APK file to the device, the Fire TV stick, and this process will actually take about at least 5 minutes. Alright, so XBMC just installed into the Fire TV stick, and you can see the success message right there on the command prompt. So let's look at it in our Amazon Fire TV. So to access XBMC, we're just going to go to Applications, go to Manage All Applications, and go all the way down and you'll see XBMC. You'll just hit Launch Application. So there you have it. XBMC onto your Amazon Fire TV stick, and you could use this method to install other Google Play apps onto your Amazon Fire TV stick. All you'll need is the APK file. View my other tutorial if you're using a Mac, and you can also view my other tutorial to see how to set up XBMC onto your Amazon Fire TV stick. Alright, thank you for watching.